Hello everyone, welcome back on YouTube channel for a new video. I'm not alone, I'm with Adrian.
Yes, hello.
Adrian just got a second place in the 2VD classification because, as you know, in the RC rallies we don't have, let's say, just one class but different class, and Adrian took part in today's rally in the 2VD class, and he's here on my YouTube channel because his car is amazing, has some unique feature. Adrian, would you like to add something? Like, which is this unique feature that your car has?
I have four-wheel steering.
Yes, you hear well. It's a car that has four-wheel steering. Okay, let's go to see it. Okay, Adrian, show us this piece of engineering marvel, let's say. Okay, as we can see, there are two servos. One is placed here in the front of the car, in this, let's say, unusual position. And guys, looking here on the back, we have the rear servo. So why you came up with this kind of solution?
Yeah, because my steering angle is not enough in the track.
Okay, so I can imagine that, let's say, with this solution, your car is more drivable.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, can you show us the difference? Like, let's say, putting the car here on the ground, how it changed with these two setups. So here we are going to see just two-wheel steering, right? Now we are going to activate the four-wheel steering system. Yeah, I can already see the difference in this kind of steering. Adrian, really, congratulations.
Thanks.
Okay, guys, here we have the IRC stage. So you're going to test this car and you're going to see the difference about how it performs. So right now Adrian is testing the car with a two-wheel steering system. Yeah, Adrian, I see that you have a bit of difficulties. Okay, Adrian, let's activate the four-wheel system drive. How do you activate it?
In the button.
Okay, you have a button here and
Yeah,
you change, okay, this setting. Yeah, we can already see the difference in this steering system. I'm so thankful to Adrian that gave me the possibility to film this amazing model. Here in Poland, the modelers have a lot of creativity, coming always with very interesting solutions. So this is a Maverick Strada, modified to have a two-wheel drive car on the front wheels. And let's take a look again on this system. Yeah, it's really amazing how it works. And another thing that I forgot to mention, Adrian did today's rally without using the brake, because currently he is having a problem in the ESC and the car is, let's say, it's literally not braking. He doesn't have any brake, any drag brake, and even with this issue he was able to get a second place. So guys, I think that's all for this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to support my channel, and see you next week for something new. Ciao!